to Municipality Estonia. I'm not working for municipality, I'm engagement expert, but I'm consulting municipality. I'm working with municipalities. So I'm really happy to introduce you today, Steffen from Dinslaken, Germany. And I know that Dinslaken is doing great stuff, so I'm really happy and interested to hear how it is going nowadays in Dinslaken. So Steffen, please tell us what kind of cool stuff you have been doing in terms of civic engagement in Dinslaken recently.
Thank you so much, Christina. So it's my pleasure to give you some insights into two of our small-scale experiments that we did as part of the Active Citizens project funded by URBACT from the European Union. And these two small-scale actions were actually getting quite big in the end. So what we did is that we tried to find new, innovative, and even a bit risky ways of experimenting how can citizen participation in the future be done. And what we did is that we looked at the problems, the challenges in the city, and we asked ourselves, how could we engage citizens so that they can not only contribute their voice, but also co-create together to solve the challenges that we have in the city.
Wow, interesting. And well, are you satisfied with the result? And what was the result? What was the complete outcome?
Thank you. It was astonishing. The first action that we tackled was a sustainable hackathon. So many people have heard about hackathons and of course sustainability, like in the Green Deal for the European Union. But for us, it was really a challenge to convey the message that a hackathon is not only for computer specialists or nerds. It is a way of co-creating solutions together with normal citizens that often have expertise that the civil servants, the mayor, the people serving in the city not necessarily bring to their jobs, because people working at Google or some other places, of course, have different ideas and experiences.
But from my personal experiences, I can understand already how demanding actually this methodology is. So how you were managing those challenges in terms of technology and methodology for this kind of engagement.
So I would like to give you a second example. The second action that we piloted in Dinslaken was using a methodology called Photo Voice with the Kobo Toolbox. That is actually an open source tool that was invented or is supported by the United Nations for collecting data in crisis regions. And we thought about how could we engage citizens that are not normally contributing to participatory approaches. So what we did is we put up a website that could be used on any smartphone, and we asked young people, especially people from communities that are not necessarily participating in official participation actions from the city before. And we took them and we asked about their challenges, and these were challenges for their neighborhoods. Like they said, there's a lot of graffiti around our place and we want it to be clean. We want to have nice surroundings, but also demands and propositions like, where can we meet? And is there Wi-Fi and electricity where we meet? So they actually made a lot of proposals for a local park that is very beautifully designed, but there's no way to connect to the internet in that park. And we took these ideas to the hackathon, where we had experts from technical companies who said, well, of course we can deploy Wi-Fi connections at the public park, so let's work on this together. And that's how we like to see participation and co-creation
Wow.
in cities.
Thank you, Stefan. I think that both your examples were right to the point. That really, I mean, you talked about the one of the biggest challenges of engagement, that how to reach out those who are not normally engaged, and your examples show very well how you can still you can still face those challenges, but you can still find solutions, and that you can use new innovative mechanisms and tools, and you will succeed. So thank you very much for this very positive and encouraging example. Thank you.